What is up, traders? Today we are diving deep into the future of trading, a game-changing revolution powered by AI. If you are not ever felt overwhelmed by market trends, emotional decisions, or missed opportunities, this video is for you. Wake up call, say goodbye to manual guesswork, and hello to the smartest trading system ever built. Let's recognize your trading game. AI trading is the use of advanced algorithm that analyzes live market data, detects high trade probability, trade setups, and execute with precision, all in real time. Unlike human traders, these bots don't sleep, don't panic, and never miss signals again. Our AI uses historical patterns and price actions and technical indicators to trade smart and consistently. Let's run a live example. We start with $1,000. The AI detects a bullish signal on the 1-minute chart and enters the trade in less than a minute. We lock in a 92% profit. Now the compounding begins. The bot rolls the winning into the next trade, scanning and executing again. This is where the magic happens. Exponentially growth powered by the intelligence, decisions, not emotions. Here's why AI wins. Speed, it analyzes in milliseconds. Accuracy, up to 92% win rate on forward option. Emotion free, no overtrading, no revenge trade. Compound logic, it multiplies profits while managing the risk. Ready to revolutionize your trading? Getting started is simple. Visit the link below, access the premium AI trading bot, and start with our free demo sessions. Whether you are a beginner or pro, this tool adjusts to your strategy and scales with your goals. This is more than trading, it's financial upgrade. Don't sit on the sidelines. Join the AI trading revolution today and take full control of your financial future. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are ready to win with technology. Let's dominate the market together.